The Attorney General has apologized to the people of Tobago for the challenges faced at the Registrar General's office in recent months. AG Reginald Armour held a press conference this afternoon at the Central Administrative Services Tobago office to address the inefficiencies affecting Tobagonians' access to essential government services. He stated that solutions, including hiring additional staff and upgrading ICT systems, are already being implemented to address some of these issues in the short term. Kandace Jackson has more in this story.
As Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, I stand here today to apologize to the people of Tobago.
Attorney General Reginald Armour acknowledged the frustrations of Tobagonians who have been unable to access services at the Registrar General's office. He traveled to Tobago to meet with Tobago East and West MPs and the Tobago Lawyers Association to address these concerns. Notably absent from the meeting was Registrar General Karen Bridgewater, who is accused of preventing staff in Tobago from delivering services. The AG explained that she was ill and unable to attend, but assured that he was closely monitoring the situation.
I think that there has been a less than effective coordination of information passing between the operational management and the on-the-ground management in order to address the complaints that were coming to the Registrar General's office.
The Attorney General denied any attempts to control Tobago's operations from Trinidad. He insisted that there was no effort to lock out the Tobago system, attributing the issues instead to an ICT failure.
The point is that the operating system for companies crashed and a new system was purchased, a new software system was purchased and installed, and the instructions on that new system is that for security reasons, only the persons operating the system in Trinidad are allowed access to the operating systems.
To address the issues, the ICT system in Tobago will be granted a degree of autonomy, with ICT specialists deployed to manage it. The Attorney General also highlighted that blurred lines within the legislation have contributed to other managerial challenges affecting the Tobago office.
There was never any legislation that gave a role and function to OPM CAS to perform any services of the Registrar General's department. It was a departmental decision taken under the former government of the People's Partnership that had created CAS to deal with the OPM, to deal with the Registrar General.
He admitted they discussed assigning a permanent deputy presiding officer to Tobago, but
that is a function of the Judicial and Legal Service Commission. So the most that I can give is an undertaking to begin to have conversations with other organizations that have constitutional responsibilities with a view to expediting where I think the solutions can be found.
In the meantime, a deputy presiding officer from Trinidad will serve in Tobago 4 days a week with an assistant handling the 50. Additional staff are also being hired to improve service delivery. Investigations into the public complaints are ongoing, and 2 staff members are already facing disciplinary action. A hotline is also being established through the Attorney General's office to assist Tobagonians facing any issues. Kandace Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.